noticed in this 2006 Honda Pilot. This is the set of wheels you've been looking for, with a reliable 6-cylinder engine. The powertrain includes 4-wheel drive that responds smoothly to its 5-speed automatic transmission. The anti-lock braking system will keep you safe on the road. Let the outside in with a power sunroof. Plus, enjoy these notable features that are included in this vehicle: leather seats, power door locks, power windows, cruise control, an AM/FM stereo with multi-disc CD player, a satellite radio, power mirrors. If safety is a high priority, rest assured knowing that these top safety components are included: front ventilated disc brakes, curtain head airbags, passenger airbag, side airbag, traction control, stability control, low tire pressure warning. Call today to schedule a test drive.